Install the filter onto the designated port. Note, if the rubber ring on the filter is missing or damaged, replace it before installation. There is an air intake hole at the back of the instrument. By unscrewing the cover of the air intake hole, you can see a white silicone ring on the top of the cover. If this silicone ring gets damaged, a new one can be replaced. There is a filter cotton inside the inhalation hole. It is recommended to replace this filter cotton once a week. After replacement, tighten the cover. Demonstrating the breast enhancement cup and the small Y tube. And connect the Y head to the breast enhancement cup. Attach one end of the small Y tube to the air inlet. And connect the Y head to the buttock enhancement cup. Attach one end of the large Y tube to the air intake. Connect the power cord. Activate the power button. Work mode selection. You can choose to work in a single mode or multiple modes. When the machine is not started and a single mode is selected, the mode parameters can be saved. The Save button is used for saving the parameters. Start/pause. Reset. Press the Start/pause button to initiate the process. Test if the device has suction. Place the buttock enhancement cup on top of the ball. If you feel a tight suction, the device has suction. If you feel uncomfortable due to excessive suction force during use, you can release the suction by pressing the emergency suction pause button located on the top of the machine. Press the Start/pause button to stop the operation. M0M9 default parameters. M0, suitable for both breast and buttock enhancement. M1M4, suitable for breast enhancement. M5M8, suitable for buttock enhancement. This is a suggestion, you can choose according to your own situation. Not choosing a work mode. M0, default startup mode at this point. All parameters can be set arbitrarily. Press the Start button to activate the machine. Select single operation mode. For example, if you select the M2 mode, the screen will display the relevant parameters of the M2 mode. If you need to modify the relevant parameters of the M2 mode, you can adjust any parameter and then click Save to save. Adjust the working time. The time being adjusted here is the total working time of the instrument. Click the Start button. The instrument will work according to the set M2 parameters. Note, if you modify the M2 parameters before clicking Start but do not click Save to save, after the machine starts, the parameters displayed on the screen will be the default M2 parameters of the instrument. Unless you set and then click Save, and then click Start again, it will work according to the set M2 parameters. After clicking Start, during the use, you can only adjust the working time of the instrument. When choosing multi-mode cycling operation, for example, if you select M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4, the screen will display that the first mode is from M1. After selecting the mode, the working time displayed is the total working duration of the M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 mode. Press the Start button, and the instrument will work according to the sequence of the selected modes. It will first work according to the parameters of M1, then sequentially work in the order of M1, M2, M3, M4 until the working time is over. When the instrument is working in a certain mode, the corresponding mode icon will flash to indicate it. When the instrument is working in a certain mode, the corresponding mode icon will flash to indicate it. During the operation, only the working time can be adjusted. If you increase the working time after starting the operation, for example, if the added time exceeds the total working duration of the M1, M4 modes, the machine will work in the M4 mode until it finishes, and then start cycling in the order of M1, M2, M3, M4 again. Turn off the power button, and unplug the power cord.